Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how to use OBS Studio so you can broadcast through your desktop on NETSTREAM.app. So first step would be to download OBS Studio. In the comments below, in the video description, you are going to see the link to download OBS Studio directly. So once you have downloaded OBS Studio, then you can start your setup, and actually what you can do here in your main screen is to select the sources which you want to broadcast. You can choose here by selecting the plus button to choose to add a device, your camera. You can also add your screen recording, or you can also select a tab sharing. Here I have these three options. And what you also can do in case that you want to broadcast something through the internet, then you can close down your microphone here if it's needed. It's better to have two screens to use when you want to broadcast on NetStream. That will be very helpful. But if you don't have the two screens, then I'm going to show you exactly how to do it with one screen. So here I have OBS Studio. And once I selected what I want to share. Here, let's say that we want to share our screen. So if we want to share a screen, here is the option to share my screen on OBS Studio. So I'm ready to share my screen. I have opened the desktop sound and also the microphone sound. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take OBS and aside, and I'm going to start a new stream on NetStream. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on here, start streaming. I'm going to name it test stream. Here I'm also going to name it test stream. Of course, you can add whatever you want. This is just a tutorial. And here I click on go live. Once I do that, as you can see in the next tab here, I have two options. Is that stream through our browser and stream through OBS RTMP. So I'm going to select OBS RTMP to show you how exactly to do it. So once I have selected this option, you can see here I have my live peer URL and my stream key. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to copy here my URL and my stream key. So actually what I'm going to show you right now, I go here to OBS, I go to settings, and once I open settings, I can go here to stream, and I'm going to paste here the server, which is actually the server is here, this one, and then I'm going to copy my stream key. So once I'm here, I'm going to stream key. Every time you open a new live, then what you have to do is actually you have to paste your stream key. The stream key renews for every live, but the server URL is standard. You have to paste it only one time, and then you only have to change the stream key. Once I have pasted the stream key, I click on apply, I click OK, and now I can start streaming. Once I clicked here to start streaming, you can see here that I have started streaming on OBS. I'm live. And now what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to go live here as well. So I'm going to click go live on NetStream. Now, if you want, the best option would be to move aside this tab and move it to the second screen. And what also you can do is you can close down the system sound of NetStream. You can see here live is going to open. And once it opens, what you can do is actually you can close the system sound of NetStream so you can hear yourself through OBS and you don't hear your voice two times. So here we're waiting for the stream to load, and then we'll be ready to move on with our streaming. Here we go. I select to close my sound, as you can see here. And here I am live on NetStream, as you can see. I'm actually live. It's just loading because it has some second delay for NetStream to go live directly on the platform through our system of decentralized servers. So as you can see, I'm going to show you right now. I'm live here on OBS. If I want to stop my streaming, I click here, stop streaming, and my streaming will go live here You will see it in a few seconds, the screen. And what you can do actually is here it is, and you can enlarge it here if you want. You can go full screen, and what you can do here actually is what I would strongly propose is move NetStream away from your screen so you can start sharing your screen and you can do screen sharing. Here I'm showing my, if you can see here, my trading view chart. So this is the way to go with NetStream. You can do it that way. So you can see here I'm live, and I'm also live through OBS Studio here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop my streaming on OBS, and then I'm going to stop streaming also here through NetStream. That's it. This is how to stream on NetStream through OBS Studio. So I hope you find this useful, and I'll see you on the next video.